Are you still dealing with recurring solder paste residue? It's not just a defect, it's a silent profit killer. I'm Jimmy, and I've outfitted hundreds of SMT lines, and I can tell you, manual inspection is failing you. It's inconsistent, slow, and frankly, it's costing you too much in rework. Our system changes the game. It uses high-speed optic to scan every aperture, detects microscopic residue in real time, and logs every error automatically. The result? A 99.9% pass rate on your first run. Stop wasting money on rework and start maximizing your yield. Want to see how we do it? Click the link in my bio to book a live demo, and let's optimize your line today.